Yes, Shekhar, you can start now. We are live.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. Today, I welcome you all on this platform today, and we will be exploring our session on empowering classrooms with Canva. As you all know, that Canva is a free graphic design platform which is used to create posters, presentations, social media posts, documents, and many more things. So as a facilitator, you can create classroom presentations. You can, as a science facilitator, you can create solar system tour, live solar system tour for the class, for the engaging and animated lessons. You can create lesson plans. You can create worksheets, which includes fill in the blanks, quizzes, puzzles, and even if you can create as an English facilitator, you can also create a comprehension passage along with the question answers. You can create certificates and awards. You can customize your certificates. Uh, just like you can create student of the week award or games related certificate or any quiz related certificate. You can also create classroom posters for motivational quotes or wall posters. Then you can also create uh, social media content, like you can create school events flyers, information, and you can also create short educational videos also, right? So these are, as a facilitator, you can create all these things and incorporate all this in your teachings. So let's start with the Canva. So first, what you have to do, you have to log into the Canva. So I'll be taking you to the, we'll open our browser and we are typing Canva here to go to visit to the home page. So I have actually already logged into the Canva site. So first it will ask you to log in with your email ID. So you just click on the Google email ID and you can log in, right? So I have already logged in. This is my home page. This is the home page of the Canva. You can see at the left hand side, these are the tabs which we can use to create our things. And this is the home page. This is the search toolbar where we can type any of the things which we want to create, right? So when we click on the Canva homepage, you can see these are the different things which we can create. Like you can create poster, we can create sheet. This is the new feature incorporated in Canva, which through which you can create a spreadsheet. This is the document. You can create a document there. You can create a whiteboard. Then you can create presentation. You can create social media posters and posts. You can even edit your photo using the photo editor tool. You can create videos. You can create printables, worksheets. Then you can also create websites. And this is a custom size option through which you can create, if you want to create a presentation or any of the things with the scratch, so you can just use this. And manually you can describe your own uh, dimension of the project. Like this is one of the option of upload, where you can upload your own stuff like document, presentation, any of the poster you have created in your computer. Then if you want to apply all the elements of the Canva, then you can also do it. Suppose you have created a presentation in MS PowerPoint, and if you want to apply the Canvas element, so you can also apply that. So let's start with this. Uh, you can see there are three options: your designs, templates, and Canva AI. Right. So this is the new feature of Canva AI. We'll explore it first, or we'll just do the document. We will create a document first. So we'll click on the doc here. So you can see this is the document, and you can also see the toolbar. The floating toolbar is visible here, and one option is there which is magic write. When you click on this magic write option, it will ask you to write the prompt. what you exactly want to create. Suppose I want to create I'm giving a prompt like create a document on sustainable development. Let's see, when we click on the generate button, it will generate the content for me. So this is the content. I can insert it in my document, and you can see this is the full-fledged document I have received. So now what we can do is we can, if we want to change the heading part, the header of this document, we just double click on it and we can change the color or any of the object there. Just wait for a minute to open it. So this is the header. If I want to change its, like I want to change its font size or decrease its font size and make it bold. And if I don't want this text, I will just delete this using the delete key. And if I want to change the font style as well, so I can just select any of the font from here and apply it to it. Change all. So it will get changed. So if I want to change if I want to apply an underline also, or if I want to add some effects on the font, we can also do it. If I want to make it a slightly curve here, I can also do that. Just see if I want to apply a curve. So I also can animate it as well. If I want to make it animate, then I will select any of the options from this animate tool, right? So this is what I want to uh, look like my document header. So I just click on the save button and you can see it get changed. So now we can also change our content part. Suppose this is the H1 heading and I want to make it, I want to give it in a different color. So I can do it by selecting and just use the toolbar to change these, to apply these effects. So suppose I want to change this also as my second heading. I want to give it I want to color it in red color. So I just select the red color and it will get changed. Now we have also a list option here. If I don't want a list, I just select this and click on the list option to deselect the list. Then again, we have the second option. We can also like this is just like you do in the Word. You can just select and apply the effects what you want to do. So this is what I have created with the help of Magic Write tool. Okay. So one more thing I want to add is if you want to add something more, like you can rewrite this content, or if you want to continue writing, like if you want to add more content to it, you can just click on continue writing and it will increase the length of your paragraph. If you want to shorten it, it will also click on the shorten to short your content. So this will be the, if I click on the replace button, my content will be shortened, right? So in this way, we can use this magic write button. Magic write button is just like you have already used a chat GPT where you can give the prompt and create your own stuff, right? So this is, in this way, we can generate a document. And you need not to save this document as is, it is already stored in your cloud storage. but you can share it as well. You can download it as well. You can click on the share button, and if you want to download this document, then you can download it in different formats such as docs in Microsoft document, Word document, or PDF format, right? So it will get downloaded in your computer. Even if you want to share this, then copy this link and share with this your friends, right? So again, next we will explore what other thing we can create in document. So when we click on document, we can also create worksheet for students. So what we can do, we can just click on the magic right here, and I will give a prompt, create a worksheet for grade 3 English on identifying vowels. So let's see what it will generate. So my worksheet is generated. We can use the information which I want. If I want to change it, we can also change it. Like this is the information. If I don't want this information, I just want to a worksheet with the questions only. So I can use only the questions. Otherwise, we can also edit if I want. Suppose there are 5 sentences, I want to increase these sentences. I just select it and click on the magic right button and uh, click on the continue writing, and it will give me more options on more sentences to on add to this question, right? So in this way, we can create worksheet in any of the language. I want to add one more thing. If you want to create it in different languages also, you can add that particular language in your prompt. Like you want to create worksheet for Hindi. So you can also write that generate a worksheet for me for for Hindi subject, or you can mention the topic like Sangya, Sarvnam, or anything you whatever you want to create, right? Even you can convert the this you can also use the Spanish or French, any other languages also, and you can create your own worksheet, right? So this is the feature, one of the features of Canva, where you can create documents, worksheets. Now let's explore the next. We will create we will uh, now create a poster. So we'll create on social media, and there, suppose I want to create a Facebook post. So I will click on the Facebook post. This will give me a blank template, blank screen, and there left hand side we have the templates. So I have to give here the topic on which I want to create a poster. Suppose I want to create a poster on water conservation. So I will see, it will give me the so many related templates here, and you can see there are some templates with the crown printed on it. These are the paid version templates which we can use after the subscription only. But I want to tell you that if you are a teacher, I will tell you at the last of this session, at the end of this session, how you can access the crown printed templates also. So we can right now we are using only the free templates. So I will click here. This is the free template, and I can customize it. Suppose uh, this is the toolbar which is floated here. I can change the color. Suppose I want to change the blue color to orange. Then if I click on this, change all, my color will be changed. Where it is displayed, the blue color, it will get changed. So if I want to change this color, I also change this. If I want to change the message here, Here I can also use the magic write option to rewrite this. When I click on rewrite, it will rewrite the same message in different format. So I can use that also. If I want unnecessary things written on the poster, then I can just delete it. If I want to add my own text, then I can click on the text tool here. We can add a text toolbar, sorry, text box, and there we can change this text. Suppose I want to give a name, my school name, suppose Kips Education. So when I type it, I can change the font size from here. Change the text from here. And this is the four-headed arrow, which is used to move my text box. I can also change the color of this font. You can see. I also add some animation tool as well to make it more attractive. The related animation tool is displayed when I click on that particular object. So I can add the animation also like this. Okay, so we can also filter our image as well. Suppose I want this type of filter to apply it on my image, then we can also do that. These are the filters which I can apply on my picture like this, right? If I want to add something more, or if I want to add some more elements, suppose I want some more things to make it enhance, like I can add water drops. So I can search for it, and like I want to add these drops instead of this, I can delete that and I can use these drops. Right, so in this way you can enhance your poster, and you can also share it, or you can download it in your computer as well, right? So let's start with, so in this way you can create posters. Let's see what we can create in this platform. So next is presentation. The presentation, you have already used that MS PowerPoint. Here you can see the different types of already pre-made presentation templates. So you can use any of the template according to your subject. Suppose I want to create a presentation of digital citizenship. So you can see there are so many templates. You can see 1 of 10, 2 of 10. That means these are the templates with 10 pages. You can select any of the template related to your subject. Let's try on AI. So this is how we can create our presentation. We can use the pre-made templates here of presentation and apply it in our presentation. This is the paid version. Sorry, we can use the free version. This we can use. Apply all 13 pages. This is the 13 slides presentation. We can use this presentation in our, and we can change the content according to our subject, right? And again, if we want to change the background color of the presentation, we can do that also, like this. If I want to change background color of all the slides, then I can just click on the color, change all black to blue. So I can click and all my presentation, all the slides color will get changed, right? And you can add your own stuff here. Like this is the placeholder for your text. You can type your text here according to your subject, right? So in this way, you can create presentation. If you want to, this is the 13-page presentation. If you want to add more pages, you can just click on the plus sign here and you can add your own stuff here, right? And again, you can click on the share button to download it, and you can also share with your link. Now let's see next what we can do in Canva. So let's create some worksheets for students. So let's create a worksheet. We have already created a worksheet. We'll create a lesson plan now. Create a lesson plan for English for grade 6 grammar. Let's see what it will create. So this is the grammar worksheet, the lesson plan. Teachers can use it to check what activities or assessment methods or what grammar topics they can teach, right? Now you can also edit this in your Canva editor, where you can, if you want to change according to your content, you can also change that. When you click on Canva editor, you can just change according to your subject or the content you are teaching right now in your classes, right? Like if you want to change the any of the content, suppose you don't want to teach this in the particular time, you can just delete that, or you can also add, delete something, whatever you want to do. And according to that, you can also change its font size, color, and you can also print that particular page also, right? So in this way, you can create lesson plans, you can create worksheets. Now let's see what we can create more in Canva. So next is we can explore this sheet option. What we can do, we can create a spreadsheet there, right? So there is also a tool like actions tool where we can generate a table. We can give a prompt like create a table or create a table with 5 names of the students along with 5 subjects: English, Hindi, Maths, Science, and SST. I also want to add Indian names. So when I click generate, it will get generated along with the in 5 subjects and their marks. So I will just click insert and my spreadsheet get inserted. Now, if I want to add 2 more columns like total and percentage, I can use that as well, right? And you can use write the formula also. Like this is the formula bar. Here we can just click equals to and click sum and use this columns to add these numbers, just like we do in our Excel. Sorry, F2. Now when I click on enter button, my total marks get generated and I just use autofill feature to get the marks of all the students, and percentage also I can type the formula average and I can select all the columns and just my average get displayed, and just I just copy and autofill, use autofill feature to display. So this is the new feature in Canva where we can create a spreadsheet, right? One more feature is there in spreadsheet. We can create a magical charts. So according to the table which is there in according to the data set we have created, we can create a table on charts also. See what we can create different, what are the different charts we can create in this. So when I click on single color bar, I can see the chart get inserted here. Right. So in this way, you can use the Canva spreadsheet feature through which we can generate as well. We can use, we can upload our own data set from the Excel. And when we download it, we can either download it in CSV format or we can download it in XLS format as well, right? So in this way, we can use this feature of Canva. Let's move on to the next thing. So let's explore one more new feature of Canva, which is code for me. So this is the recent feature which have been added in, which has been added in Canva. So what it can do, it can help us to create interactive games as well, quizzes, right? So let's see what we can create. Create a quiz of 10 marks on hardware and software. So let's see what it will generate. So it will generate a HTML document. Let's see. It will take some time to create. It's actually create a code for the quiz. This is the styling. CSS is also there. XML is there. It will take some time to generate. Let's see what will it give us. will take a time, little more time, I think. 373 lines. Yes, that's it. So it has generated 396 lines of code, and there is our quiz. So when I click on start quiz, it gave me a question. Which of the following is an example of hardware? Yes, this is the correct answer. I can continue. So in this way, you can click on you can create quiz, you can create interactive games, and even if you want to change its questions, you can also change it, right? If you can write here to redesign your quiz, and you can also give the questions if you have specific questions. So you can also do that. So let's see which of these is not considered computer hardware. So in this way, you can use this code tool, through which you can create quiz. Let's see what game it can create for us. Uh, these are the options you can use: a 3D game exploring space. So I can use this template. If it can create for me, create an interactive 3D space exploration game. Start with an example solar system explorer. So let's see what it will create for us. It will take some time to generate the code. This is actually a new feature Canva has incorporated. It has generated 582 lines till now. 615. Oh my God. Let's see. That's it. So we can see Solar System Explorer, and this is the game we can use in our teaching. Or this is This gives us the information of Earth. Then when I click on Moon, it gives us information on Moon. Then Mars, it gives us the information of Mars. So in this way, you can use this code option to create so many things. You can also create an interactive historical timeline. You can create an interactive price calculator. You can also create sorting activities, vocab matching games, fun memory matching games. So you can try these options as well. So let's see what more we can create in this. One more option is there, which is video generator. You can also, even you can create an image as well in your using Canva. Suppose I want to create an image on 3 hours. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. So let's, Canva will generate this image for us. You can see these we can use in our any of the poster as it is, right? So this way, uh, like I also want to create a book cover for storybooks for kids. See, these are the cover books we can use for our storybooks. We can also enhance our prompt to give the particular subject. Like if I want to give a maths book cover, then I can change my prompt, create a book cover for maths subject for grade 7. Let's see what it will generate for us. See, according to the standard, it will generate our maths cover, right? So let's see what are the different elements in Canva which we can use in our different objects. First of all, I have clicked on Instagram post, and here, suppose I want to create a poster on mm, annual school annual day celebration. So I will check different templates which I can use. So the page template, I want to use the free one. Suppose I have used this, you can see it. So if you want to change the picture, you can just click here and click on elements and use your own type of picture. If you want to generate your own, then you can also generate school annual function. Let's see if it can generate for us for this poster. Yes, if I want to use this, I just click here and place it here, right? I want to delete this text. I want to change the date. I can edit the text from here. Right. Here I can write the name of the school because I'm writing. I want to add a text box here and change my text. I can change the font size. Can add my message, or I can just write, use this magic write tool to uh, this is the AI generated voice. Invites you all. Function. Right. I can increase the size of this font. So in this way, you can use you use this the generated image of from the Canva media, and you can uh, enhance your poster. You can create different types of worksheet, your comprehension passage. Like I will show you how you can create a comprehension passage for kids. Just click on the Canva homepage and here click on document and use this magic AI tool and write your prompt here. Create create a comprehension passage for grade 7 along with questions. You can also generate maths worksheet as well. So it has created this comprehension passage along with the questions. You can give your students as a holiday homework, right? You can click on insert button and the comprehension passage is created in just a few minutes, few seconds, I can say, right? And you can see all your designs here. Whatever you have created, it gets shared in your recent designs folder. So you need not to save it in something other way or your computer. It is already gets saved in your recent designs folder. So whatever you have created, it gets saved in here only, right? Here I want to show you some worksheets you can use in your classroom. This is the worksheet you can use for small kids. You can get it printed as well. This is the worksheet for kindergarten students. You can use it for their holiday homework. Let's see what we already have created here. There are so many worksheets here. You can use it. If you want to change, you can change it according to your content. If you till now, if you have any query, then you can write your queries in the chat box and I can resolve that.
Well, we have one query where will they can find code creator option.
Code creator option is there on the home page only. When I click on Canva, this is the Canva AI tool. When I click on Canva AI, this is the option code for me. So when you click on code for me, and here you can see the template here, or you can write your own stuff here to get generated.
And we want to ask about the how they can upload and download the file. So how they can upload images, if there any option to insert the images, and how they can download the final project.
Sorry.
So image upload option in case they want to upload some of their own element which they have on their devices. Plus, once the file is created, how they can download their these files.
Okay. So suppose you have a presentation. You have already created a presentation in your computer using MS PowerPoint. So you can use this upload option and click on upload files. And I can see if there is any presentation here. If I click on my presentation, it will get opened here. This is the presentation, and I can use my Canva tools to enhance this presentation. And to download, I just click on the share button and there is a download option. When I click on download, it will give me a file type, which file type I can use. So if I want this in PPTX format, then I can just click on here and download it. Right. So this is in this way we can use our own stuff and apply the Canva elements to it. Any other query?
Yes, what all they can create in Canva, like videos, MCQ. So they are asking if they can create multiple file type like videos, MCQ, etc.
MCQ, I've already told that using code for AI, they can generate a quiz related. I have already created that quiz. I will show you. Using code for AI, I have already generated a quiz. They can create their quiz. They can give their questions, or they can use the magic write tool to generate it from the AI.
And same way they can create the video as well.
Yes, yes.
So this session will be, live on the Facebook, and the video will be shared with all of you. In case you have missed any part of it, you can, again refer these points. Sheetal has already explained all of us how to, create the code, how to use the code, how to create MCQ questionnaire, how to create a poster or an image, how to create a worksheet or, activity or maybe posters and all. So that has been covered. Apart from this, if you have any queries, we are open for those queries. Rest you can refer to the video. You can follow those same step, and you can generate your own MCQ posters and worksheets and quiz and test papers.
I want to add one more thing for the teachers, that they have an option of Canva for education. So I want to show you all Canva for education. This is actually free for teachers and students. what they can do, they can just register themselves on this platform, Canva for Education, and just get verified. When they registered there, they will get a mail from Canva, and they just have to show their any of the registration, like you have to submit your salary slip or experience letter to use this Canva for Education free. Like all those paid templates, you can access all the paid templates or paid elements, jitne bhi, like uh,
Whatever paid software
paid
they can, they can that will be free accessible for all the
accessible to
teachers.
them. Yes.
All the teachers. So you all can, use Canva for Education and register yourself by providing the proof that you are a teacher and associated with the school. Once you provide the school, Canva will give you access to, all the
All the
resources
paid
for.
templates and elements.
Yeah, you will get the resources. I think this is one of the best feature of Canva for Education, that can be utilized by school teachers.
Yes. And for your students also. They can
For the
also access all those paid templates and elements.
Thank you, thank you, Sheetal. Thank you so much. Let's wait for a minute if we are getting queries for certificate for this webinar will be shared and the previous webinar will be shared maximum by next week. You all will receive your participation certificates by next week, maximum by next week, and we will be emailing you. Don't worry. Yeah, I think Sheetal, they like the entire session. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone for joining us today. We will see you tomorrow, same time for another session on code.org. Thank you everyone. Have a nice evening.